So we're back on the Herald Classic 125. In episode 1 we sorted the electrical problems out, episode 2 we got it running, and episode 3 we sorted the oil leak out and serviced it. In this episode we're going to start the MOT side of things, and this time I'm thinking about doing the tail light and the headlight. Now this is the standard tail light that we've just took off it. They have problems with the bulbs blowing and also these nuts on the back coming loose. Nuts won't come loose on this one because it's seized in place. But this is the one we're replacing it with. It's LED, it's much brighter, it's much better, it uses less current draw, and it's much smaller and more compact. Now we do complete tail light conversion kits for these bikes that are just straight bolt on, and we start with this, and then we have to customize it so that when it goes to you, it's just plug and play. So this one we're going to have to customize just like the others, so I'll show you how we do that. Pushing then. So now the tail light conversion's done, we're going to move on to the headlight conversion. So just like the tail lights, we provide complete conversion kits for the headlight as well, so they're just plug and play. This one isn't plug and play yet, just like the tail light, we'll show you how we make it plug and play. But they're a big upgrade to the standard ones. The standard ones are a B20 bulb, these are a H4 bulb, which is a much better quality bulb and a much better fitting. Not only that, the whole thing itself is better quality. And you can use a 60 watt, 55 watt bulb in this, but the standard ones you can only use 35 watt, so much brighter as well.
That's fair, that's fine. We got.
Okay, so now we've got the headlight and tail light back on, I don't think we need to get back under the tank or the seat, so we might as well put them back on. So now we've got the headlight on and the tail light on. I know the lights and electrics are working properly. The next thing to do is to move on to things like the grips and the mass cylinder, but that's on the next episode. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications.